Tips to maximize your earnings with online surveys. If you've ever answered a few questions online in exchange for cash or gift cards, you already understand the appeal of paid online surveys. They're low effort, easy to fit into your spare time, and don't require leaving the couch. A win-win-win. Here's a guide to learn a few tips on how to maximize your paid survey earnings, starting right here with KashKick. Surveys on KashKick. KashKick is one of the most well-rounded platforms for paid online surveys and making extra money. When you get started with KashKick, you'll complete a profile survey. This is quick and easy, helps match you to the most relevant surveys, and pays $1. From there, you can start taking surveys. Because KashKick prioritizes transparency, it shares the estimated length of time and potential earnings for each. Beyond surveys, you can also earn money on KashKick when you play games, shop online, and claim deals. This day in the life of a KashKick member showcases just a few ways you can earn. Here's what else you need to know about KashKick. You can cash out as soon as you earn $10. Opt for cash through PayPal, a gift card, or a charity donation. Payments process within 1 to 3 days. Speedy. How to maximize paid survey earnings. Ready to level up? Here are a few tips to help you maximize your paid survey earnings. Use platforms that offer multiple ways to earn. You'll inevitably get tired of surveys, so use a reward site like KashKick that pays you for playing games and claiming deals. Take surveys regularly. New surveys are always becoming available, so even if you go through a streak of disqualifications, it's always worth checking in regularly for new opportunities. Prioritize high-paying surveys. Calculate which surveys have the best per-minute rates and prioritize those. Pay attention. Some surveys sprinkle in obvious questions to make sure you're paying attention and not randomly clicking answers. If you can't answer, what's 2 plus 2, for example, you'll get disqualified. Be honest. Many sites like KashKick will have you answer some basic demographic questions to help match you to surveys. If you answer those questions differently in surveys, you could get disqualified. Be open. Avoid answering, "I don't know" or "I don't care" for too many questions unless that's truly how you feel. Refer friends. Some survey sites have referral programs, so when you refer your friends, you can earn a bonus. KashKick's referral program, for example, will pay you 25% of your friend's earnings for life. Opt for cash rewards. Look for the survey sites that have straightforward reward systems and pay out in cash. This will be the most useful to your bank account. Avoid VPNs. This is confusing for survey sites and could cause you to get locked out of your account. Be ready to verify your identity. More and more reward sites are requiring users to submit a picture of a government-issued ID before they can cash out. This is part of a verification process to ensure you're a real person, but it has some users spooked. For example, rewarded play reviewers weren't happy. If this happens, just make sure it's through a legit platform. KashKick, for instance, uses Plaid to verify users' identities. The bottom line is this. Paid online surveys won't make you rich, but they are a straightforward way to earn some extra money from your phone and from the couch. Sites like KashKick make it easy to get started and offer several ways to earn, so you'll never get bored. Plus, as soon as you earn $10, you can cash out. Get started today.